Alright guys, so we're in the country and we're gonna make some sweet potato pudding. So my brother Omar peel up them potato there. Alright. Omar, if you get one water put in there, go change color. You have peel it for now. I tell her. Oh, you have to grate it. Alright, I go peel it and grate it. Alright guys, over here we're gonna put on some cinnamon leaf. Alright, we have a cinnamon powder, but instead we are using cinnamon leaf instead. We have nutmeg, we have Jamaican mixed spice. We have some raisins, soak in a wine and blend it. It's up to you. We have some cornmeal, flour. We have a little bit of browning, red label, vanilla. I'm sure you nutmeg. And Omar go get one drink of rum, Omar. A drink of rum. And we have piece of yellow yam. You can use yellow yam, dasheen, cocoa, cassava. You can use whatever you want, just to bind the potato and everything together and the flour. Alright. So we're gonna peel up all of this, and Omar gonna grate it, guys. Me can't manage the grater. You know, when me there Canada, me blend it or use my food processor, but Omar gonna grate it. Alright, and we're gonna come back. I have my baking pans. I'm clean out the old one. Alright. After now, we're just gonna wash them off, and we're gonna grate them or blend them, Omar. Grate them. Omar saying one greater them, guys, and him I go greater them because my hand now manage don't greater. Alright, we'll be back after we wash them off, alright? No make you water dash away why? In dash away water.
No dash. Let it go full.
Oh. Now make you coconut water waste, so don't. If it's sweet, sometimes it's sweet. You know it's sweet? It is. You look clean. Guys, we also have some coconut, but we want one more because it's part of it. Alright guys. Alright, my peeps, we put on some cinnamon leaf to boil. We're going to use some of the water. Yeah. And we're going to melt the sugar and put coconut and all that stuff. Okay. Alright guys, I didn't bother wash out the blender because it's I didn't wash out the blender, guys, because it's the raisin and just the coconut. I'm just gonna blend that, and then I'm gonna strain it. Alright guys, what I did, I add the rest of cinnamon water to this so we don't add too much water to it. Alright, in there I blend that already, so I'm gonna strain this because I already grate my trash to put in it. Alright, I'm gonna strain this. And right here I have a drink of rum. Alright, we're gonna put rum and wine, a little browning, a little vanilla, and one nutmeg. Alright guys, we can't forget the powder. Alright, we're gonna put about 2 tablespoons of powder and my mixed spice. Alright, so mixed spice, it has everything in there, maybe nutmeg and some other thing. Yes, so basically it has nutmeg, anise powder, orange peel, Jamaican pimento, and cinnamon. See, it has everything you need for baking right here. All right, and you can't forget the salt. So guys, basically we put 2 cocoa in this, yam, and 3 big sweet potato. Well, again, and piece of yellow yam, cocoa.
Yellow yam.
All right, try it out. So this mix always smells so good. Take time to make it waste. How my grater it, guys? Too hard for me grater. Scrape out all like none. Alright. So to this now, guys, we're gonna add the sugar with the coconut milk. Alright guys, to this coconut milk we're gonna add some sugar. Measure sugar, I don't know. Just choke. Alright, that's it. Alright, that's it. About 2 cups of sugar we have now, so that's it. take one spoon and mix it up. So you mix it up so the sugar can dissolve, you understand? So guys, we're gonna put some vanilla. 1, 2, 3, 4 teaspoons. That not good? 40 wine. You gotta throw it all of the red label. Throw it. Throw it all like. Alright guys, 1 drink of rum. Taste if it's sweet enough. No, this is the best one. I like the baking one. The baking one not strong enough. Put some more sugar. Alright, no, that's enough. Guys, we use 3 cups of sugar. Alright, we're gonna mix this out and we're gonna go. Alright guys, the water wasn't warm enough, so we put it on the stove. So I coconut water this with the sugar. Put some butter. Not too much. Oh my God. Okay, that's it. Alright, that amount of butter, guys. I'll put it that way. After this melt, we're just gonna add it over there and we're gonna put the cornmeal. Guys, here, you know, a country style, I add about 3 flour as a 2 we make, and I put about 1.5 cup of cornmeal, and we are mix it together. Add some salt to this amount before you forget. Can't forget the salt. We're gonna put about we're just gonna put some salt, guys, about 2 teaspoons. Alright guys, so this is the mixed spice, and we're gonna add some cinnamon, pimento. We have put about that. And Omar saying real he want him nutmeg in this, so we are gonna grate about half of this. Oh, that smells so good. Alright guys, so salt and the allspice mix up together. So this is a dry ingredients. Omar, grate and nutmeg in it. Mix this. Mix that.
Where water? You have to water.
What?
Water for going.
In our?
Not this.
I know so you be come on. Mix up with something. You must see I'm mad somebody. This is the last thing we add to the cake after you mix that.
You do for you mixing.
I know so you go. Alright guys, so we done this now. Salt, we spice it up. Now we're gonna add the liquid to the potato. Alright, come over here. So we go first and mix and throw again. Alright, we're gonna throw the liquid. You have to let some of it this by the top. Throw some. Alright, stop. You can't put the flour in there yet and you don't mix this out. How it go lump. You know not go bake it. Mix out this something. Throw some. Leave about a cup for put on the top. Yes, and that go make it. Alright, stop. So that go put on the top.
That man bono is up.
You don't mix in. Mix it around now, mix right down. So. Alright guys, we're gonna add the coconut trash, about a cup and a little bit. Alright guys, then we're gonna put the blend up stuff. These are the wine and the raisin. If you want, you can use the raisin whole about. You don't want it like that. You see that one? Come to. I want to hold it this one. And guys, after we mix it, if you want more sugar, we'll put more sugar. 1. Alright, that's good. We don't want it black. Just want to have a little color. You can use the brown in yes or not, it's up to you. I'm going to take one more baklava in. Alright guys, after I mix it out like this now, we're gonna take time and add the flour. Mix up two mixes. Mix it up properly now.
Si vai willing si mettere la mucrama che vuoi coffee.
With my potato now.
Non da mo sugar na.
No. What you make one? Sitting for diabetes.
No sugar me milk, flour.
Better you say look more flour, but not oil. I'm gonna go down in the bottom and mix up. You know, mix up it down there. Remember say count in the swell up in there. Well, let me get a mix up, right? Guys, over here I put some butter and then I'm gonna put a little bit of flour so the bottom not itch. Alright? And we're gonna throw it in and put it in the oven. You gotta get something. But you have to shear it, you know, stop. Give me a spoon. Alright, move it. Alright guys, so this is it. It's 2 big mama we make, guys. 2 big mama. So we are gonna put it in the oven and I have some of the coconut water with sugar over here, so. Alright, oh god, this one I want big one, you know what? Guys, ooh, hot. After about, ooh, they're hot. Now I have the wet, or the thing for the custard. Then I'm gonna pour some on top. Ooh. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish it to the top and I'm gonna put them back. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the big mama over. It's over 2.5 hours, guys. And this is this one. Alright. I'm gonna let it cool down. Alright. And then I'll cut it and show you later. Alright guys, this is it. My brother Omar wanted it brown, but this is what I get from it, guys. It's solid. solid. Alright guys, love upon me. Yeah, love upon me. That's what it's looking like. I think guys I might put a little bit too much flour. But it's okay, you can eat. Because I don't like it too dry. Love upon me and I love upon you.